One stung me. Wonder if the queen is there. Ouch. These stings are different than my own stings. I prefer this. It hurts a lot more, but it's over quicker. I don't know what to say. I hope I didn't chase the queen out. Think I'm going to give up handing them over to the nest. Although it may be working because I got a lot of them in there. I may have enough bees in there that the rest of them will go in. I really was able to spoon with my hands several handfuls into the entrance. I've never been able to do that before. I've never tried to do that before, actually. I don't know if they'll move with me or not. This is not the time you do this, actually, when it's real windy right after a hurricane, but I couldn't believe I got away with it. I haven't found any evidence of any honey in this hive. And that could be that they're very hungry, or if they're able to eat anything else. Just gonna move a few of them at a time over here if I can. The ones that I'm moving are accepting the hive, and until I got stung on this video, I was picking them up by hand. I'm a little reluctant to do that in case I got some sting pheromone out of that. Sure don't want to be stung again, especially if I scratch my eye or something and spread that pheromone around. Wouldn't that be bad? Oh man. Try again. I think I'll build a path from there to there with a stick. There's a stick. That's interesting. Let's see if this works. See if this does anything. Very good, very good. They're accepting the new hive. They'll probably be in there by tomorrow, all of them. I hope, I think. Kevin Morgan.